Okay, hi everyone. Obviously a weird old time. So what these lessons are going to be are for people that want to go from GCSE maths to A-level maths, and this will give you some work that you can do over the summer. Now all this will be uploaded onto the website, and you'll be sent the link to do this work. And so the first page is all about expanding and simplifying brackets. And I've already done a video on this, but this is the one specifically for the work that you guys have got to do on the website. Okay, so the first example, and one that hopefully we should all be able to do if we're looking at doing A-level maths, is 4 lots of 3x minus 2. And all we're going to do there is 4 lots of 3x, which makes 12x. We're going to do 4 lots of minus 2, so that's going to be minus 8. So it's going to be 12x minus 8. The next question that we've got to be able to do is 3 lots of x plus 5 plus, minus 4 lots of 2x plus 3. So again, what we're going to do here is we're going to expand the brackets. So we're going to do 3 lots of x and 3 lots of 5. If we do that, we get 3x plus 15. Then this is minus 4, so minus 4 lots of 2x is going to be minus 8x. Minus 4 lots of plus 3 is going to be minus 12. Now if this was minus 4 times minus 3, this is the thing that catches a lot of people out, that would be minus 4 times minus 3, which would be positive 12, because both of them are minus. But because it's a minus 4 times a positive 3, it's going to make it minus 12. Once you've done that, you've got to simplify it. So we do 3x take away 8x, so that's going to be minus 5x. And then we've got plus 15 minus 12. So if you start off at 0, you're going to add 15, you're going to take away 12, it's going to leave you at plus 3. So the answer to that one is minus 5x plus 3. So that's 2 of the skills that you need for the first worksheet. Well, the next one is you've got to expand and simplify x plus 3 bracket x plus 2. I'm assuming most people won't need this video in order to do this stuff, but it's here just in case you do need it. So x times x, you're going to expand and simplify. So x times x is x squared. 3 times 2. Now remember, you've got to multiply this. We're not adding 3 and 2, we're multiplying 3 and 2. So 3 times 2 is going to be a positive 6. Then we're going to do 3 times x, which is going to be 3x. And we're going to do x times 2, which is going to be 2x. So if we simplify that, there's no other x squared, so we write it as x squared. We're going to put plus 6, but I'm going to stick the plus 6 on the end, because we usually have the x squareds, then we go down in the power. So x squareds, x's, and things without the x. If we simplify the x's, I've got plus 3x plus 2x, so always off at 0. Plus 3x plus 2x is going to be plus 5x. So x squared plus 5x plus 6. And then the final example for this work that we've got to do is we've got to expand and simplify x minus 5 bracket 2x plus 3. So I'm going to do x times 2x, which is going to be 2x squared. I'm going to do minus 5 times 3. Now look, one of them's a negative, one of them's positive, so the answer, so that's going to make minus 15. And I've got minus 5 times 2x. Make sure that you get the sign right. So minus 5 times 2x is going to be minus 10x. And I've got x times a positive 3, so it's going to be plus 3x. Okay, so then we simplify. There's no other x squared, so it's going to be 2x squared. Then we have a look at the x's. I've got minus 10x plus 3x. So again, I always start off at 0, minus 10x, and I'm going to add 3x, which brings us up to minus 7x. Then I've got that minus 15, and that's it. So that is all 4 of them. Just double check there's 4 examples there. Yep. So now on the Edexcel GCSE into A-level practice questions, you can have a go at the practice, and there's quite a few questions there. There's 8 questions, then there's 9 and 10 extension questions. So when it comes to the extension, for those people that do the extension work, which if you're looking at doing at A-levels, which should be most of you, if I'm going to multiply, so when you multiply out the brackets like you usually would, if I've got, say, 1 over x here, and I've got something minus 3 over x, when I do this times this, I've got to do 1 over x times by minus 3 over x. So positive times negative is going to be a negative, and you just multiply the top. So 1 times 3 is going to be 3, not 1. And x times x is going to be x squared. The other thing to remember is if we've got a bracket squared, so if we've got, say, x plus 6 squared, what that means is anything squared means times by itself. So it's going to be x plus 6 times by x plus 6. And then you can do it as normal. So hopefully that should be everything that you need to do this first session. So well done.